Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. I got the, yeah. Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, you're hearing the legendary artist of Ijahman. Yeah, Levi, straight out of Manchester. And I got a report right now, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, he's on tour right now in France. And it appears that Ijahman has caught the deadly COVID-19. And we want to send some prayers of blessing for him right now. I'm going to give you a quick synopsis on what's going on. You know, I'm Rastafari soldier from the day I was born. Greetings, and salutations. In the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, bless, don't curse. You know I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for tuning in to the Approach TV. If this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button. We're going to have a great relationship. International recording artist, a musician that is well known for his musical talent, ladies and gentlemen, in Ijahman Levi. Ijahman Levi appears to be in France at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, and unfortunately, the artist seems to have contracted the deadly COVID-19 virus, and we just want to send out, our condolences to the artist, because say it's a legendary artist hailing straight out of Manchester, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to make you see some of this video right here. I'm going to let you see some of Ijahman Levi image, because a lot of the young youths them don't know Ijahman Levi. You are guaranteed. So let me go ahead and give you a little quick synopsis of the article. They say that Jamaica's musician Ijahman Levi from Manchester, the home of Jamaica's number one artist, was in France right now and is scheduled to perform and is now recovering from the COVID-19. His manager, Cable Stevenson, told the local newspaper Ijahman Levi had 3 shows in France before he left Jamaica. He did the COVID-19 test, ladies and gentlemen, and Ijahman did show up to be negative on the COVID test, but after performing in France, he felt bad. He performed at a No Logo festival and he had to take a COVID test. When he took the COVID test, it came back positive. The 75-year-old reggae singer is consistently touring the Europe area and British. Yes, remember he's a British citizen because he migrated to England with his parents decades ago, ladies and gentlemen, when he was young. But Stevens, who is happy that Ijahman is recovering, admit that nevertheless he is worried and was scared a few days ago, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure right now to be talking about Ijahman. I want to take out Ijahman YouTube, because Ijahman is on Ijahman YouTube. So remember, it's Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, of The Approach TV, reporting here, saying that reggae international artist, singer Ijahman Levi appears to be recovering from the coronavirus. Seems to have been contracted in France after going here on a musical tour. Now, according to his bio, Ijahman was a touring musician and a vocalist that actually got tutored by the legendary Joe Higgs, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine that. Man like Joe Higgs, I told them man. So I want to know if you understand, Ijahman is not just a regular local artist, people. Ijahman is a legendary artist that sing and with artists like Bob Marley and them man, they hang around with Bob Marley, you are guaranteed, and man like Joe Gibbs and them man there. So if the item know Ijahman, you should know that Ijahman was, changed his name when he actually had a conversation with a Rastafari in jail when he spent some time between 1972 and 1974. You are guaranteed. And he was, spoken to by Rastafari and appeared to have converted him. Now, he always singing his song about Rastafari movement and always speaking of the 12 tribe movement. Ijahman Levi is not the first reggae artist to have taken sick while traveling. You know, so this now, Stevenson actually is no stranger to this actual thing here. When Gilmore, Sullivan of, the Gladiators fell ill in the US, it appears that it racked up about 35,000 US dollars. So right now the people them are inquiring about insurance, because it appears to be one important thing that the artists them forget. So them need some kind of protection when them go abroad, because the protection is very important. It appears also that some European countries are requiring insurance as far as part of coverage to secure a visa to enter their country. Now, Stevenson did discuss that the agent in France regarding insurance coverage about Ijahman is being inquired right now. So more on the people them pay, go over to Ijahman Levi site and just make sure them give the eye condolences, give the eye a thumbs up, that I know so y'all will remember him, give thanks for y'all legendary work, and get well soon is the order of the day. Rastaman. His manager Stevenson said, he told him to eat some bread and drink some hot coffee, and him refused. So what I'm doing, just go ahead and call the hotel and send up the hot coffee. The next day later, Stevenson said he did speak to Ijahman, and Ijahman said he was feeling much, much better. And that is a great news right there for the legendary artist. Want to forget well soon, General. Forward home to Galdeville. Make sure you get some home cooking remedy. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you're out there wearing your mask. If you are not vaccinated as yet, make sure you're eating properly, straighten up the immune system. Ginger, garlic, vervine, lemon, vitamin D. That's what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. It's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, Deep Roots TV. I'm asking you, go ahead and subscribe, people. Remember, I said I've deleted my last channel, and I'm just starting back over. So if you're seeing this for the first time, hit the red subscribe button so the Rasta man can deal with the thing like it's nothing. A more life, and a more joy, and a more happiness. Get well soon, family. Get well soon, Ijahman. And stay safe out there, my people. Stay safe out there. More life, more joy, more happiness. Remember, hit the red subscribe button, people. Hit the red subscribe button. YouTube lock me down. But the Rasta man power fit. Beat them with it. Walk them like how Elena walked Sakara. Walk them like how boat walk the world. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. Big up every little boys and girl. Cause the future is yours. More life, more joy, more happiness. Remember, send your condolences to Ijahman. Send you get well soon to Ijahman. Yeah, cause you know a Rastafari, cause Ijahman, Ijahman Levi. Look up him tune them for the YouTube, give him a spin, give him a thumbs up. Him also have a Facebook and a YouTube channel where him give the Elter Skelter vibes of Rastafari. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. I'm asking you again, subscribe, like, and share. You hear? Because YouTube locked me down. And you know, say we not give up. We never give up. So big up all the Rastafarians worldwide. Big up all the Jamaicans worldwide. And I'm sending out a get well soon to Ijahman Levi. Yeah, cause you know, we gotta carry your load. We gotta carry your every load. If you never hear about them money are legendary artist people. If you never hear about Ijahman Levi, I hear them junior. But Marley and them man there, you know me I say, big up man like Joe Gibbs to bring them man here. You know me I say, yo, you know it's Rastafari Soldier. Pull up them children, people. Pull up them children. forward there, forward again. You know, see, I saw it go. Me have to give you a shout out, people. Me know, say them legendary artists here. Now people don't know them. Now people don't know them. No. Now people don't know. So Rasta come to make you know. Yeah. Heavy Lord. I say me walk with it. Yeah, I'm just letting the people them know who Ijahman Levi is in the people, because the man is a legendary artist. Some want to look him up still, you know, because I know I get that copyright from YouTube, but I man don't care for that one here. Yo, big up yourself, the legendary Rasta. Yeah, carry the load. Every Lord. Rastafari, I live it and reign in the heart of all mankind. And more life with a more joy and a more nothingness. Get well soon, my family. Yeah.